I wish I could say that was the first time I said that.
Hi guys.
Look at the babies are right here.
Hi guys.
They're bigger than my dog.
Jameson are as big as Jack.
Well, now that one's pretty big. I think it's the same one. Is it? Yeah. Just picking on him.
Is it okay if I go stay on that lion?
Sure. Okay. Oh my gosh, I've talked to so many people who've come to see them, Mom, and they've not come out for the whole day.
Whoa. They do have big feet. Wow.
Andy, you got plenty of pictures of these guys?
Yeah.